Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting inside Photoshop with your file open. Make sure the text layer is visible and not rasterized. First, pick the Move tool or press V to prepare for repositioning. If the layer is locked, unlock it in the Layers panel. Once done, enable Auto Select. Layer if you want to click text directly. You can also select the Type tool to edit text before moving. These steps reduce mistakes and let you move precisely without changing text properties. With the Move tool active, click and drag your text to reposition it. Hold Shift while dragging to constrain movement to straight horizontal or vertical lines. For fine adjustments, press arrow keys for 1-pixel moves or hold Shift with arrows for 10-pixel jumps. Once roughly placed, use the Options bar Align icons or Layer Align to snap to canvas or other layers. Also consider smart guides and rulers for visual alignment. These actions let you control. When you're satisfied, finalize the position by grouping or locking the layer to prevent accidental shifts. Convert to a smart object if you plan more transforms. If you need to scale or rotate, use Free Transform, Control or CMD+T, and press Enter to apply. Make sure to save a versioned file before rasterizing so text remains editable. If something goes wrong, immediately undo or step back in history. And remember, the Align tools and smart guides can rescue small misplacements quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.